Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can log in without the password on system. I mean you can log in without entering the password on Windows 11 or 10. Simply open the run command, type here run, or you can press Windows plus R button together and type there this command net plwiz and press OK key. And once you press OK key, the user listed on your computer should be visible here. You need to select that user which you want to remove the password from that, and simply click on this option reset and leave the password blank. Do not enter the password and click on OK simply. So for example, I am not doing with this now. So let's create here the password for you. Local test password I'm showing here, different password. Okay, hint and hit next. Test account is created successfully. Now select this username on your system, reset password, click on OK, and now password has been reset. It means that there is no password with this user. Once, if you have only one user in your system, it will be directly log in automatically. Or if you have multiple users, once you restart your system, the system will be rebooted and automatically logged in with this user. Just click on OK. Okay, so this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.